video is sponsored by Cake Wallet, the easiest open source wallet to store Bitcoin, Monero, and Litecoin securely on mobile and desktop devices. When buying This video is sponsored by Cake Wallet, the easiest open source wallet to store Bitcoin, Monero, and Litecoin securely on mobile and desktop devices. When buying, selling, and exchanging crypto or trading for gift cards, Cake Wallet ensures privacy and security, giving you the keys to your coins. Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to the Daily Zest. I'm your host, Randi Hipper, here today on a lovely and splendid Monday. If you guys are here, you're ready for the zest, the news, the education, make sure you smash a like, subscribe to the channel, share it out with friends, because boy, oh my God, we have some things going on, including another hurricane. My friends, I'm going to get into that in quite a minute, because I'm losing my mind. Guys, if you please make sure you smash the like, subscribing, sharing it out as you check out our three amazing sponsors of the show, which includes Cake Wallet, Market Cipher. Use code ZESTY for 15% off. Head over to Gemini. Trigger $100 in crypto, get 15 bucks in Bitcoin. Oh yeah. Guys, please say good morning to me in the chat. I want to say good morning to you. Oh boy. Oh. The hurricane stuff. Okay, that's actually a good song. It's actually a good song. Alexandra G is in the chat. Do mind that Emma and my dad are not currently active in the chat. I see Emma's in there somewhere, but they're at Publix. The Publix, getting some hurricane preps out there. And my friends, there's things. I'm a little scared. Anyway, guys, we have a goal of 6 more subscribers, 17,285. So let's pamp that up. Right, Mikey's Money. Hello, everybody over there. Let's say hello to people on the tubes. And shout out to Piano Matty B for rating in this morning. Appreciate him very much. Ben Spada, good morning. Solo Hefe, good morning. NJ Web Solutions. David Bowles is in the chat. John Germain, my friend, how are you? Bell Miner, good morning. We have Mike Vollmer chilling. Kelly Boy's here. Ashutosh, hello over there on X. Auto Cough Cough, good morning. Aaron, hi. Tube and Jar, good morning. JR, nice to see you. We have Alpt in the chat. Let's see, we got David. Hello, David. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Juju is here. Hello, Juju. Who else we got? Who else? James, good morning. We have Habibi over there on X. Good morning. Sultan, good morning. We have Squeaky, Silver Days, Bulldog Eric, good morning. Joe Harvey, good morning. Squeaky, good morning. Lux Shampoo, good morning. All right. Rain of love for all of you guys. Drig, hello. Bobby says, good morning from San Diego. You're viewing at work. Oh. Be careful, my friend. Don't get busted over there. Be careful, okay? Be careful. Don't get in trouble. But I do appreciate you tuning in, right, Saul? Good morning. All right, guys, we have some things going on. Let me actually pull up. Hold up. The Weather Channel. Let's get this going. Let's get this going. I don't know if they have a radar. There's the radar. Okay, radar. Do. Okay, so this. Hold up. Milton. Let's go to what in the world? Freaking Weather Channel, man. Okay, but looking out into the abyss of the country. Okay, there we go. So, yeah, we're going to get slammed with this hurricane. So apparently, my friends, this is like the first of it. And then the actual hurricane is over here and it's supposed to make landfall. And the direction apparently is going to be straight through Tampa up to like through the center of Florida. So I'm telling you, my friends, this is going to get a little bit scary. I'm very confused, not sure what's going to happen. I am keeping an eye on this right now, but as of right now, we are in a zone that's not appropriate. I could say that, but at the end of the day, like we have like a good structure we're in right now, so I'm hoping that's okay. I really don't know what to think right now. People are saying it's a Cat 4. I don't know if it's going to be a Cat 5 or if this is just a little bit too much and people are overdoing it. So I'm not really sure. So I don't know. Do we leave? Do we leave? Enter the poll. Enter the poll. I just, I feel like last time we were okay, but we got lucky last time. So I don't know if the luck is going to continue. We'll see. But we're going to hope for the best, right? Right, everyone over there on TikTok, smash a like, give me a follow, woo-woo. Right, Yukio and X Casper, Kyle, good morning. Hi, everybody. Hi, hello, Keen Beans. Hello, Keen Beans. Everyone listen to Piano Maddie B. Sound check. Baby, it's a sound check. I'm gonna check this sweet mic. Why don't you check yours too? And make sure. Why don't you like and subscribe and share this video? Bing bong. All right, guys, this is what we got going. So I'd be on the road if I was in Florida. Man, listen, we could hope for the best. We could hope for the best. Right now, I'm hearing that the highways are absolutely packed. So even if you wanted to leave, it's going to be a little bit difficult to do that. As we take a Bitcoin gander, but first, before Bitcoin, let's actually look at the market recap, and let's get it. Guys, we got whiffity-doo-doo-doo. Up 13.9%, Bonk up 8%, Floki, Doge doing pretty good. FTT, I don't know what the goes on there. Sweet up 14%, Pepe up 9%. So we're seeing a nice little comeback in the market as Bitcoin is at $63,318 today, 0.81% in the green. Guys, you can see we're bouncing off of this 60K quite nice, and that is the golden zone. And we have the 200-day SMA that we are battling that's currently at $63,549. And again, if we could bullishly pass it, close above it, 64K for about a week, my heart will be very warm and fluffy. Very warm and fluffy. Now, someone said on TikTok, 61K coming. Even if that does happen, still we're in range. Macro range right now is pretty much 52K to 71.5. So we're still in range. We're still doing really well. The problem is the 200-day SMA we keep battling, and it seems like there's a little bit of a tiff, especially the selling pressure at 64K. Like, people can't let it go. We're up 0.94% today as we're looking at a green dot that was just printed on the momentum. Loving that. It is skewing over that zero line going bullish now, along with that VWAP with a confident move in the bullish direction. Same for the money flow. Money flow looks fantastic. Looking here at the RSI, we had a really sharp downturn to bearish territory, but we did make quite the comeback going bullish now. So we're going to hope for the best in that direction and hope that we have some bullish price action and pushing us over this 200-day SMA, close above 64K, darn it. That's really what we're looking at. We haven't touched 64K since Tuesday of last week. And again, we haven't closed above it since Sunday of last week. So again, hoping for the best, really want to see 64K and have a nice day. But don't forget, my friends, it is a new week. Shout out to the new week. Listen, on the week chart, my friend, 52K outlined perfectly. That's where we need to stay above. And also outlines the pressure we've had at 64. Excusez-moi. Now we're looking over here at the momentum. Again, green dot printed, pushing that momentum into the bullish end of things. VWAP is sliding down, skewing down just a tad, but still bullish. So I'll take her. I'll take her. And then we have the money flow that's still nice and green. Love that for her. Now, we do have the RSI that did battle in the bearish direction, had a really nice push, and is now holding bullish. So we're going to hope that continues. Again, we're going to watch for 64K. You see in the past, we love looking at the past, or 60K, I should say, not 64. Even 64, you do see that selling pressure on the weekly. And over here with this wick. However, golden zone of 60K is very, very important to hold. You see it on the weekly. All that selling pressure. But when we held support, it pushed us to around 69K the last bull run. This time, looking at the golden zone, we held support on the weekly, and that brought us to all-time highs. So you really, really want to hold the $60,000 mark. Looking over, let's take a gander at some Bitcoin news, which is, let's see, Metaplanet. Metaplanet, the Japanese company. And again, they kind of took the MicroStrategy end of things and started putting Bitcoin on their balance sheet because they know that fiat is dying, and they need another way to store their value, preserve their wealth. Well, my friends, they bought another $6.7 million worth of Bitcoin. SpaghettiOs. We'll see. We'll see. Well, we see that the investment advisor MetaPlanet said it bought another 1 billion yen, which is $6.7 million worth of Bitcoin, pushing its holding to 639.5 Bitcoin, worth approximately $40.6 million at current prices. They purchased around 108.8 Bitcoin at an average price of just under 9.2 million yen per coin, disclosed on Monday. It has now spent just shy of 6 billion yen on the largest cryptocurrency by market value, paying an average price of, again, 9.3 million yen a piece. Now, they said that they want to hold mad Bitcoin, and so they do. And so that we see other companies as well, like a Hong Kong-based tech firm, Me2, which holds around 941 Bitcoin, according to Bitcoin treasuries. We're going to see a lot of this, man. We're going to see a lot of this, as MicroStrategy themselves holds over 252,000 Bitcoin. That is a fat bag.
Oh my God.
And we're gonna see a lot. We're gonna see a lot of that. We're gonna see a lot of companies buying Bitcoin. We're gonna see a lot of maybe governments buying Bitcoin. We know El Salvador buys a Bitcoin a day. We know that Bhutan, another small country, mines Bitcoin every day. Even hold on. China.
Bruh.
Mining that Bitcoin without telling anybody. Now, let's take a gander at Ethereum this morning. Ethereum is $2,474.65. 1.43% in the green. Looking right here, we do have that support that maybe is becoming established here around this 2370 mark. Again, bullish scenario is your 2640, 2650, and then your 2770, which again, selling pressure is immense at that level. We do have a fresh green dot printing on market Cipher, which is awesome, and the money flow turning bullish, going green, as well as that VWAP now breaching over that zero line, going bullish as well. Seeing here, we do have the RSI that is still bearish on Ethereum, which is crazy. You would think it's maybe not. You would think it's maybe too good to be true that we haven't even breached the bullish end of things yet. And again, that's cool because we have some good price action. We have some movement. The indicators are indicating. And so we're going to hope that the RSI goes bullish eventually, but that we have a lot of room to run. And I'm so excited. So excited. Taking a look at the weekly Ethereums. Ethereum. Looking here at Ethereums, even again, selling pressure is immense at certain levels, including that 2770 you see in the past. And then over here, you see how important $2,100 ETH is on the weekly. You really want to hold $2,100 ETH. Now, on the weekly market ciphers here, we're seeing that we have momentum picking up. Not bullish yet, which is again, a little surprising, although it shows how much price action potential we got here. VWAP is making its way towards that zero line and about to go bearish, which I don't like. I hope that there's some curvature, some nice pump, and we could avoid that as the money flow is picking up. So I really like that. It's just like a plant that needs the water to grow. Looking at the RSI, it's bearish, it's choppy. We want to get that momentum in the RSI built up and move along. Oh, sorry, that was a little bit loud for you guys. Apologies. That was a little bit loud. Let's go to Litecoin right now. It's 66 bucks. Woohoo. Down 1.2%. Now, we're looking at Litecoin bearish scenario 63, bullish is $75. I can't scream it enough. That's what we're looking at. We're down 1.24% today with the green dot printing on the momentum, making it go bullish, and the VWAP that is bullish, but a little bit flat at the moment. Not terrible. We have the money flow that's picking up. It's beautiful. It's nice. It's green. Now, we do have the RSI that's bullish, but maybe taking a little bit of a retrace today. You want to hope that maintains its bullish neutral stance at the moment. Guys, please make sure you smash the like, share this out with friends. I definitely think that some platforms are slowing us down. We don't want to be slow anymore, please. Save us all. Save us, YouTube algo, please. All right, guys. I know you guys are scaring me in the chat, man, with the storm. I know it's going to be bad. I know it's going to be scaries. I'm worried. I'm a little worried. So do we have a cooler of ice? We don't have a cooler. We have a freezer. Does that help? Right, Andy? Hello, Andy on X. I see you over there. All right, guys, we have some new news, and that includes Elon Musk going and fully going MAGA, man. He is Sir MAGA at this point. And so Elon Musk, again, I am reporting news. I am not taking a political stance. So let's chill. Though I had some quotations because I was watching this rally, as you had to watch the rally. I mean, darn, Elon was showing up. You guys see what the man says. Donnie T kind of opened it by saying Elon Musk saved free speech. And do I agree with that? I would say yes. I would say yes, Elon. Without X, we would have no real news. And that's a period. No one can deny that. And then Elon comes on stage. He said, everyone must register to vote. Oh my gosh, I said the V word. Please don't flag me, please. He said everyone must VOTE. And then Donnie T says that Elon, with his help, we're going to reach Mars by the end of his term. Guys, do you think we could reach Mars? Put a rocket emoji in the chat. Put a rocket emoji in the chat. Do you think we are going to reach Mars? And as you guys answer that and put these little rocky emojis in the chat, I'm going to play the video of Elon speaking at this rally. So here you go. It's only 5 minutes long. We're going to watch it.
As you can see, I'm not just MAGA, I'm dark MAGA. Well, first of all, I want to say what an honor it is to be here. And, you know, the true test of someone's character is how they behave under fire.
Word.
And we had one president who couldn't climb a flight of stairs, and another who was fist pumping after getting shot. Fight, fight, fight! Blood coming down the face. Now, America is the home of the brave. And there's no truer test than courage under fire. So who do you want representing America? Yeah, absolutely. And I think this election, I think it's the most important election of our lifetime. This is no ordinary election. The other side wants to take away your freedom of speech. They want to take away your right to bear arms. They want to take away your right to vote effectively. You've got 14 states now that don't require voter ID. California, where I used to live, is just passed a law banning voter ID for voting. I still can't believe that's real. So how are you supposed to have a good, proper election if there's no ID? It's just meaningless. And free speech is the bedrock of democracy. And if people don't know what's going on, if they don't know the truth, how can you make an informed vote? You must have free speech in order to have democracy. That's why it's the First Amendment. And the Second Amendment is there to ensure that we have the First Amendment.
Word. Word.
President Trump must win to preserve the Constitution. He must win to preserve democracy in America. Yes. This is a must-win situation. Must win. So I have one ask for everyone in the audience, everyone who watches this video, everyone in the live stream. There's one request. It's very important. register to vote. Okay? And get everyone you know and everyone you don't know, drag them to register to vote. There's only 2 days left to register to vote in Georgia and Arizona, 48 hours. Like, text people now. Now. Oh, and then make sure they actually do vote. If they don't, this will be the last election. That's my prediction. Mm-hmm. Nothing's more important. Nothing's more important. So I'm speaking to people out there. Everyone in the crowd, I think, is already convinced. But for people out there that are watching the video, watching the live stream, you need to get everyone you know, at work, your friends, family, text groups, your social media, everything. Get them to register to vote right now. Only 2 days left for Georgia and Arizona. Only a couple weeks left in Pennsylvania. And if they're not registered to vote, it doesn't matter at that point. Register to vote. I'm being repetitive for a reason, okay? So nothing is more important. And a lot of people think maybe their vote doesn't count. Well, it does, okay? It does. It matters. And this election could be decided by 1,000 votes, 500 votes. A tiny margin. So get everyone you know to register to vote. And double check that your registration is good. Don't take it for granted. I'm just being repetitive about this point because it is the one takeaway, more than anything, that will matter is getting those registrations and then getting everyone you know to actually vote. That is what will decide this election, especially in Pennsylvania. So thank you, and honestly, you want to just be a pest. Just be a pest to everyone you know, people on the street, everywhere. Vote, vote, vote. Fight, fight, fight. Vote, vote, vote. Thank you.
And the words were spoken by Sir Musk. And so he's been tweeting Elon relentlessly after this to go VOTE, to go and register, all of those things. So again, this is something that's absolutely huge. This is something that is going to probably change a big part of this marathon that we're running. So again, we have some things going on, especially where Elon tried to bring SpaceX out to North Carolina, where currently people are being threatened to get arrested if they go and help people that are stranded with no food, no water, no electric, no cell service. And so what's going on right now is absolutely devastating in North Carolina. So Elon and Donnie T, they did do some efforts and they did try to help. And so this is insane. I think we need help. We need more accountability from our current admin, so that way we could have a prosperous country. And I think that we do have a lot of things that are ahead of us right now. And I hope that in November, things change. Things change big time. As we are facing one of the most pivotal points in United States history. So if you guys, again, agree with that, then make sure, again, you smash the like, you subscribe to the channel, you share it out with friends, because this is information people need to know. Even some people in the chat didn't know Elon was at this rally. And it was huge. But yeah, so we have a lot of issues in this country. We have a lot of accountability that needs to be had for certain people doing certain things that are not good for us. Period. Guys, we need accountability for FEMA. We need accountability for all these people that are leaving others stranded, and it's nasty. Guys, we have Bitcoin that is very close to that $64,000, guys. $63,850. Pamp it up. Oh, shoot. Oh, my God. I literally just... I freaking blew out my eardrums on that one. Ah! Crypto Wolf, hello, my friend. Guys, we're targeting 64K Bitcoin. Hopefully we get there. I'll watch. I will be watching. as we have some news. And again, I'm surprised that Elon didn't bring up Doge on there, Department of Government Efficiency Commission. I feel like that should have been brought up, especially when there are government dollars going towards relief for people that aren't getting relief. Let's talk about the U.S. They're moving to seize $2.7 million from Lazarus hacks traced through Tornado Cash and other mixers. Guys, I do not understand this whatsoever because I think this Lazarus group is absolute FUD and a mysterious group that I don't know if they're real. I don't know if they're real because, again, we haven't seen pictures of these people. Oh, if you're able to trace it back and you know it's this group, then why don't we got pictures, man? Why don't we have blockchain evidence? So I feel like this is just a little bit sus. It's a little bit sus. Like, we have these things, right? Okay, I went through Tornado Cash, ETH addresses, da-da-da-da-da. Okay, but where are the people? Where are the people involved? If you know where, again, if you're cashing out KYC, right? Where's the KYC info? Sus. Now, here's the thing. There's 2 recent forfeiture actions filed by the U.S. Attorney for the District of Columbia that has uncovered new details about how North Korean crypto hackers launder their funds as the government seeks to seize around $2.67 million worth of crypto stolen in 2 major hacks. The forfeiture complaints filed on Friday aim to cover about 1.7 I believe that's million. They didn't put the M there. Worth of USDT traced through the Tornado Cash mixer from the North Korean-linked Lazarus Group's $28 million hack of crypto exchange Deribit in November of 2022. So they're saying they went from Deribit to Tornado Cash, mixed to various ETH addresses, which then went to bridges and then eventually went to USDT on Tron. And so they basically found all this money, and that they attempted to convert the Ethereum assets to USDT in 3 waves. First 2 attempts to launder the funds were halted when law enforcement froze some of them in question. Third attempt saw the hackers successfully launder the remainder, leaving law enforcement with about $1.7 million in Tether frozen from 5 relevant wallets. And then there was a second filing that concerned their $41 million hack of an online casino, stake.com, and their attempt to launder the funds through 3 stages as well. And law enforcement froze a majority of that. And so that's pretty much all they got. Which is, again, it is what it is, that there's always going to be bad actors. However, it shows the beautiful aspect of blockchain that it's all transparent. And if there's bad actors doing bad things, oh, well, hello, you're going to find them. You're going to find them, friends. You're going to find them. And if you're doing bad things on blockchain, if you're trying to do some sneaky stuff, oh, dude, that is so darn silly. I can say another word, but it's silly. Don't do it. You will get caught. You're going to get in trouble. Every single transparent thing is there. The blockchain. This open ledger. Oh, I love it. I love my open ledger. Right, Uncle Jimmy? Uncle Jimmy, can I get a golly for the hurricane? Can I get a golly for the hurricane? Guys, did we hit the 64K mark? I think it was 63.9. Hold on. I don't believe we did it yet. I think we were a few dollars short. My friends. Where's Uncle Jimmy with my golly? I need it. I would get in a car and go panhandle. So you guys are thinking we should leave? Like, is this, if you have everything you need to camp, I say you're good. Charger packs for the phones. Fans are extremely important. Actually, in Emma's room, Emma, if you hear me, Emma, charge the fan. Charge the fan that's in there. We have a fan that doesn't need to be plugged in. I recommend you go plug that in. That would actually be helpful. Jimmy with the golly, thank you. Thank you. Dano, hello. Nice to see you, my friend. But yeah, guys, this is something that's humongous. We're looking at this hurricane right now. I am very nervous about it. And we're going to just hope for the best. So we got the radar out here, the DAR of the raid. Hold on. Radar. So you guys could see that the hurricane is actively on its way. And again, we're getting some like precursor rains right here. So we're going to see that eventually make its way over and just try to obliterate Tampa right now. So, This is crazy. I can't believe it. I'm going to just try to move on to another news story because I'm going to just like lose my noodle. If I don't have power for a week, then what are you even doing? Yeah, that's funny. So funny, Jimmy. You're hilarious. You're so hilarious, Jimmy. Because Jimmy's a survivor, guys. Uncle Jimmy's a survivor. He was in Texas and he got like that crazy hurricane and he had no power for like days. And he's like the most technical man in the world. So without him playing on computers, I don't know what goes on. But Uncle Jimmy survived, which gives me faith. Guys, $64,000 Bitcoin.
Pump it up. You got to pump it up.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Guys, Bitcoin is pumping right now, guys. She's pumping. 64K, we're breaching it right now. Again, we want to close above 64K today. Look at Bitcoin. She's pumping it up. Bitcoin's pumping right now. Pumping. Oh, gosh. No G's in the chat. No. I know. Hello. All right, guys, as we watch Bitcoin breach 64K, we have more news where... New York sucks, man. New York is crazy. Guys, New York regulators are hiring blockchain analysts to tackle some crypto crimes. Guys, New York is the actual worst, bro. It's the actual worst. The Department of Financial Services, the DFS, announced a job opening for the position of virtual currency senior blockchain analytics analyst. Wow, it's a lot of analysts. The role, based on either Albany or the city, is permanent and aims to support DFS in maintaining a stable, transparent financial system that protects consumers and businesses. When they are offering 84 grand with a periodic increase up to 106K. That's some bag right there. That's a bag. Key duties include using blockchain analytics to trace on-chain transactions and ensure compliance with state and federal regulations. Well, I'll tell them right now, if you want a crypto nerd to work for you, you better be offering them 6 figures off the bat. 6 figures off the bat. You know these developers, these on-chain sleuths, they're pricey. They're pricey nerds. They're pricey nerds. You think you're going to get a dev or somebody for less than 6 figures? Aha. That is hilarious. I mean, listen, I'm sure someone's going to do it. But most nerds would not, unless you're offering them a big bag. Double that. Double that, New York. But New York spends all their money in the wrong places with people that don't, well, now live there, but not supposed to live there. New York puts all its money in the wrong places, man. And you know what? Why don't you work on actually creating an inclusive environment for crypto instead of the bit license that absolutely obliterates the industry there so that nobody can operate and only people that pay a lot of money and actually get through, like Gemini. Gemini actually aced that stuff. They're one of the few people that operate in New York. It's because they're zesty. Right, RustyBot, a member for 15 months, said initialize rain boots and stay safe. That, you know what? Thank you. But also, I don't have rain boots. I should. Yeah, I definitely need that. I definitely need rain boots. Oh, man. Guys, we're pumping. Bitcoin's pumping. 64,100. Oh, 64.2. Ow. Guys, $64,200. We made it, my friends. We made it. We're pumping. Oh, my gosh. This is so beautiful. Guys, we're up 2.2%. VWAP is pumped. Momentum is pumped. Money flow is pumped. She looks great. She looks absolutely fantastic. Shout out to Bitcoin right now. All right. We're also going to talk about the WEF. Guys, the WEF, the World Economic Forum, oh, dude, these are evil people. So basically what they have plans of is to create a blockchain or a metaverse. And so if you haven't known about that, then it's been a thing for a while. I remember the last Davos meeting that they had. They were investigating the metaverse. And even recently in March, they said navigating the industrial metaverse, a blueprint for future innovations. So you know that they want a piece of this. And what they said initially is that they want a world where you go to the DMV and all these people, and it's going to be in the metaverse, which I do believe that's going to happen, but not in the WEF's control. These people are absolutely sick, and especially because they want all these carbon credits and a social credit system when they're the ones flying private jets everywhere. So you know what? Whatever they say means pretty much nothing to me. But at the same time, they're backing a sandbox-first approach for DeFi adoption. All these people, again, they're unelected bureaucrats. Nobody asked for them, but yet they're here. They urged policymakers and regulators worldwide to conduct DeFi-regulated or related innovations and experiments within regulatory sandboxes, focusing on tailored risk mitigation and transparency. In its recent assessment of 9 major economies, including the US, the UK, Japan, the UAE, they identified the need for a tailored approach for regulating DeFi. Again, why? Did we ask you? Do we want you? And who are you to tell our regulators and policymakers what to do? It shows that they're all colluding. All these world leaders collude. It's like the financial, it always is a melting pot. It always goes up to the top. It's a pyramid. And nobody understands that except if you watch this channel, you're in the know. You don't really understand. And this is something that just explains it perfectly, that this weird group of higher up people in the world, that select group, that this club that we're not in, goes and makes these decisions and tells our policymakers what to do. This is America. This is America. Why are you telling us what to do? We're free and independent. Goodbye. Goodbye. The UK, we can't say nothing about. In Europe, what are they doing? You retweet something and you go to jail. Are you serious? We have a censorship problem. And if you think that they won't blacklist you in the metaverse, that you won't be tied down to what they do to you in the metaverse, and if you don't think they're going to create a digital identity of you, so if you go into the metaverse, you go into your video games, you go on any online chats, they're going to know exactly who you are, what you said, and if there's something that you do that they do not like, hello,
FBI, open up!
you're going to get a knock at your door. You're going to get a knock on your door. So that's that. I'll move on from there because I think I should. I think I should. Guys, please smash the like, subscribe, share this out with friends. I don't even know how many likes we got. I don't even know. Guys, we need 25 more for 100. What is going on? What is going on? Smash these likes for me, please. Please, please help us, my friends. Please. Speaking of Europe and things. Apparently, according to reports, WorldCoin may not happen, or it's not a priority for Europe. Guys, I cannot stress enough how nasty WorldCoin is. Honestly, you guys could do whatever you want. It's your life. But at the end of the day, am I ethically, endorsing this? Absolutely not. Absolutely not.
No, God!
WorldCoin is the skew. It's the nice push into those carbon credits, into that dystopian world that even right now China lives in, where if you don't have a certain score, if you aren't in control, then you have nothing. You have nothing, which is what they want you to own nothing and be happy with it. Well, darn, we're not going to do that, my friends. We're not. And WorldCoin, where they scan your eyeball with the little machine. Oh, it's a cute little orb. Oh my gosh, look how cute. Look how cute. It's a little orb. It's going to scan my eyeball. Hello, dude. That's insane. That's actually ridiculous. Because then they're taking your biometric data, giving it, and they openly said this, that they want to collaborate with governments. Are you kidding me? And on top of that, not only do they take your biometric data, which in China, you know what they do? They scan your darn palm so that way you could go check out. And you know what? That's the same thing that Whole Foods does and Amazon wants to do. It's all a scam. It's all together. At the end of the day, my friends, you don't know what they're doing with your data. And also, they want you to give your private keys, which are the keys to your wallet, to WorldCoin. Oh, for account abstraction. Oh, so if you lose it, if you're not responsible, we'll recover your funds. No, we're here to be our own bank, my friends. Our own bank, nothing more, nothing less. We're here to be independent. We're here to be our own bank. We're here to take a stand against this system that WorldCoin is stepping in. WorldCoin is not real crypto. Real crypto would not do that. Not at all. CBDCs are not crypto, which is outlined in the economic report of the president. And also, WorldCoin. This is nasty. This makes me feel like I need a darn shower when I talk about WorldCoin. A darn shower. Out of here. Get out of here. WorldCoin sucks. WorldCoin, the digital identity project founded by OpenAI CEO Sam Altman. Do you guys trust Sam Altman? Can I have an opinion in the chat? Do you guys trust Sam Altman? Put a 1 or a yes emoji or 2 or no emoji. Is this how you feel? Do you support Sam Altman? Okay. Well, we see here it's shifting its focus from Europe to prioritize adoption in Asia and other regions. And again, you know this may as well hit
China.
Fabian Bodensteiner, managing director of WorldCoin Europe, and a founding team member, said WorldCoin is concentrating on markets where governments are more open to emerging technologies. This isn't an emerging technology. This is control. This is communism. This is what that is. Absolutely. Probably worse than that. Speaking at the Sifted Summit, a Financial Times-backed event focused on European startups, he reportedly claimed that European markets are not a large focus for WorldCoin, saying, "We just see a larger dynamic in other regions of the world because we're not 1,000 employees, and we need to prioritize where we see the biggest business opportunities." And again, this is the little orb. This is the little orb. Goodbye. Goodbye, orbs. See you later. See you later. I won't stand for this. You will have to hold me down to the ground and grab my head like a darn pimple and squeeze it to get my eyeball scanned by that thing. Absolutely not. Absolutely not. Are you crazy? Are you Delulu? Put Delulu emojis in. Are you crazy? Scan my eyeball. You don't know what kind of back-end technology that got going on there. Who's going to hack that and then take all your data and pretend to be you and steal your identity, especially because they have your private keys? Oh, no. Oh, no.
Bruh.
That's a mess. That's a mess waiting to happen. And a social credit score waiting to happen. The one world currency, WorldCoin. What do you think they named a WorldCoin for? So they could take over the world. That's why. Oh, because it has such a cute little orb. You know, WorldCoin is dirty, bro. It's dirty. They went into other conferences, taking over other people's booths when they did not have one just to put their stupid little orb in there. No way. No way. In my opinion, do what you want. It's your life. It's my life. It's now or never. 'Cause I don't want to live forever. I'm just gonna live while I'm alive and not have my freaking eyeballs scanned, all right? That needs to be better. Needs to be better. Needs to be better. Other countries are claiming to do better. The UAE has some of the biggest pilot programs for CBDCs, which you know I'm not a fan of, because that's all I talk about is life, liberty, property, our fundamental basic human rights. That is also our fundamental rights in the United States of America, which is life, liberty, and pursuit of happiness, which they glazed over that property part real quick. Guys, life, liberty, property, period. Everyone has the right to pursue their happiness, and so they should. Everyone deserves happiness in this lifetime, but to have happiness, you need to have things that are yours, period. In the UAE, they're trying to make some moves into the crypto space to please everybody, and that includes exempting crypto transactions from value-added tax. Well, the UAE has exempted crypto transactions from paying value-added tax, bringing the industry into line with several TradFi services. The change, which takes effect November 15th, applies retrospectively to transactions from as far back as 2018. The Arabic version of the Federal Tax Authority's updates was made public on October 2nd. English was made public on the 4th. The exemption makes clear for the first time that the tax does not apply to digital assets. It covers the exchange of and transfer of ownership of those assets, which means all crypto transfers and conversions will now be exempt from paying the 5% levy. The UAE has essentially classified virtual assets in the same bucket as TradFi services, several of which are already exempt from VAT, which legitimizes virtual assets. Honestly, there should be no taxes on crypto. It's currency. There should be no taxes on spending crypto. I even, I think about the Boston Tea Party quite often, the Boston Tea Party. Like, these people were mad that there was taxes on tea. But we go and get taxed on everything, including our toilet paper. I would like to understand that. I would like to understand how we got this far. How every single thing we buy, there's a tax. You know how much money we'd save? And you know what the worst part is that we're going to the stores, we're getting taxed on things. Yet, this is the money we're spending to buy the things that we're getting taxed on is money that's already been taxed. Well, excuse me. Excuse me, my friends. Am I wrong? Am I just absolutely insane? Am I absolutely insane? I would like to understand my insanity. I made money this year. I get taxed on the dollars. And then the dollars I got taxed on, I'm going to the store and getting taxed on them again. Oh wait, hold on. If things happen in an interesting direction where one admin potentially could tax you on money you haven't even made yet, then what money do you have left at that point? Answer the questions, friends. What is going on? Why can't we keep our money? I'm going to stay on the floor until someone answers this question. Where's my chat? Where's my freaking chat? Answer the questions. I'm looking. I'm looking. Okay. Verhoofty says get used to taxes on taxes on taxes. Where am I going to get taxed for breathing 5 breaths of air? Are they going to charge me 4.2 Dogecoin? What can I get a question answered here? Am I going to get taxed for taking a sip of water out of the river? Because no one's going to be able to afford bottles of water anymore. Is this how it's going to be? I'm going to stay on the floor until someone answers this question. And we pay tax on top of the carbon tax. What is a carbon tax? What is this all about? What is this all about? What is this all about? Okay. They'll tax the tax with tax. Yeah, that sounds great. Let's the tax was talking on that mic, freaking no. No, I'm over it. I'm honestly over it. I'll tell you that right now. I am over it. What time is it? Oh my gosh, guys, do we have chart requests? I'll do some. We have some drama over here in the crypto land as Zach XBT is accusing a crypto influencer, Ansem, of promoting meme coin pump and dumps. Do you guys believe that this is true? Do you guys know who this Ansem character is? Apparently, he's going to fight BitBoy at some point, maybe in karate combat. I don't know. I know there's some sort of beef going on there. Though Zach XBT, he's a blockchain salute that's been out here for years calling people out on their BS. Well, he said that he came after Zion Thomas, who is also known as Ansem on the X.com, accusing him of facilitating a string of meme coin pump and dumps. In a heated exchange on X, he and Zach XBT, who is woke, Zach XBT and Ansem went back and forth over what Zach XBT alleged was Thomas's role in shilling a swath of low-cap Solana meme coins. He first mentioned that while Ansem was discussing a meme coin bull, Murad Mahmudov's meme coin supercycle speech at Token 2049, accusing him of promoting meme coins to his followers in place of having a legitimate edge on the market. He said, Zach XBT, if you resort to promoting new low-cap meme coins every few days to followers as a large account, it's because you have no edge and have to use your followers instead. Only thing which changed the cycle is grifting, as large accounts became even more normalized than before. So Ansem posted, people call me the meme coin guy now. They called me the Cosmos guy early 2022. They called me the DFK guy late 2021. They called me the Solana guy early 2021. I take the best trades that the market gives me and I talk about them. Zach XBT slams him and said, nah, they call you scamsome now. You are really going to sit here and tell us these were the best trades the market could give you, and listed all of these meme coins that he talked about. So this is what Ansem said. Well, wait, hold on. Yeah, Ansem. Ansem said the low cap garbage you talk about has dominated 90% of retail mindshare in crypto over the past year. So whether you like it or not, that's what people want to trade. So there's some drama there. I don't know. I worry about that. All these meme coins and people promoting them, and then people get hurt. But at the end of the day, again, it's up to you. It's your money on whether to really play into all these people that are tweeting about meme coins that may or may not be worthwhile. And again, whether that's worthwhile is up to you. So whether you listen to them or not, you got to take accountability for your own actions. However, again, there does come a point where there's a worry upon the regulatory standpoint of people talking about certain coins online, and whether that's going to be an aim and fire for certain agencies. And by certain agencies, I mean one that are headed by
hucksters, fraudsters,
Gary
scam
Gensler.
artists, Ponzi schemes.
Yep. That's what we got. So I just wanted to share that. You guys are funny. There's some people on TikTok that are funny. Guys, how are you? Guys, please smash the like, share this out with friends. We have a lot of stuff going on. Do we have any chart requests that y'all would like covered right now? We have 3 more likes till 100. You guys better be smashing that.
Pump it up. You got to pump it up.
All right, let's see. Let's do some. Let's do this. Guys, I'm nervous. I have a huge hurricane coming my way. Am I going to survive, my friends? Guys, we hit a high for Bitcoin of around 64.4. That is blissful. Love that. Guys, we want to close the day above 64K. That's the most important thing to note. As we take a look at Dogecoin this morning, that has tapped and fallen below the 11.5 cent mark. We're really aiming for that 12.25 here, but bearish level to watch again is your 10.5. Even more bearish is 9.5. Now, the green dot was just printed on market Cipher, which is awesome. So the momentum is curving upwards, which we like that type of curvature. And then we have the VWAP that is now bullish, as well as the RSI that is looking right now bullish AF. As we are breaching through that neutral, maintain that, it's starting to make a nice move to the upside. That's what we got going on for Doge. Doji. Do. Let's look at Sweet. Do. Word. All right, so we got Sweet. $2.10, 14% in the green, my friends. 14% in the green. Bearish level to watch. Again, this is price discovery. It's basically at all-time highs. Besides that one wick we had, I don't even know if that counts, really. But it does, I guess. Though we're in price discovery right now, $2.10. Bearish level to watch is $1.70. Even watching that $2 mark, which is a psychological level. So look at that. That's all I could give you at the moment. Since it is price discovery. VWAP looks good. Money flow looks good. Green dot printing on the momentum. Shoot. Freaking TikTok. 1 second. There we go. Okay. then looking over at the RSI, it's already overbought, so I would just be a little bit cautious about that. Branko says you have 789 viewers on X. Yeah, on X we get 1,000 viewers live. We get 1,000 people live. YouTube, on the other hand, says, oh, she's talking about freedom. She's talking about love and positivity and a good vibrations. They don't want them good vibrations. They only want me to say like good things about a certain person that I'm not out here taking political stances, man. I can't do that. I can't do that. Tough, hello. We got, who else is in the chat? Soul Face here. Wifey and Sir Wick, Rez, nice to see you. Bullish Bradley, nice to see you. We have King Peasant, ALJR. Bullish Bradley is here. All right. I see. Oh, shout out to my Army Pipers for raiding in. I didn't even see that. My Pipers, good morning. Nice to see you. Nice to see all of y'all. Thank you guys for coming. Thank you guys for coming here. Let's see. All right. Oh my gosh. Holy bananas. Holy bananas. We got Golden with 50 memberships.
Pump it up. You got to pump it up.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh my God!
Golden sir. I'm a little scared, Golden. I have a major hurricane that's headed my way. I don't know if it's going to be a Cat 4 or a Cat 5 yet. Emma, do you have a website that I could view what that's going to be? Milton. Let's get Milton. The Milton section.
Hurricane Milton continues to undergo rapid intensification and is now a major hurricane. Milton is forecast to strengthen into a Category 4 storm Monday afternoon, making landfall along Florida's west coast Wednesday night. Warnings are in effect for the Yucatan Peninsula, including Cancun, where conditions will go downhill Monday. Watches have been issued for the entire west coast of Florida, including inland.
So you see here that hurricane watch is all up here, all where I'm at, which is, yep.
Counties as well. Unfortunately, the ground is already saturated across the state as periods of heavy rain not associated with Milton will make for a wet Monday and Tuesday. Impacts from Milton arrive Tuesday night and continue Wednesday into Thursday. Flooding is a big concern as it won't take much more rain to cause problems. Areas just north of the landfall could see over a foot of rain.
Darn, man.
You're leaving
Over
me?
a foot of rain. That's insane. Oh.
Oh my God!
Yeah, this is going to be pretty scary, man. This is going to be pretty crazy. I'm very much nervous about it. I don't know what's going to happen. I'm hoping that, I don't know. Let's look at the 24-hour radar. Let's look at the 24-hour radar. Let's play that. Taking a gander. Where's the cane? Where's the cane over here? We got none. We got nothing. This 24-hour radar is not good. That's not good, man. Oh no. Okay, well that's fine, I guess. But yeah, we got mad issues going on here. We got mad issues. Hoping for the best overall. I really don't want to get into a bad situation. But it seems as though I guess we're gonna stay. Right, Ronell? I think we're gonna stay. But I don't know. I'm trying to like make a final decision because right now it's a Cat 4. Let's see. Actually, before I start talking smack, Hurricane Milton Cat 4. Is that what it is now? Okay. Oh, new news. Okay, new news from Fox Weather reports. It says Milton explodes into a Category 4 cane. Oh boy. Oopsie. Let me play that for you.
Impacts, but you'll notice areas here where we're talking about evacuations and final preparations, maybe boarding up the house. You have areas in through Pinellas County, by the way. They do have evacuations, and they're also in some areas like St. Pete Beach. They're turning off sewage and water. Tomorrow morning, it's all off.
What?
So that's another reason to go.
Yeah, exactly.
Are you
Think of this as like a stoplight. They stop what you're doing in your everyday life and get ready. Get your
a good way to think of it.
Wait, what
medications,
the-
get
what
whatever
did they
you
just
need.
say?
Right?
Reason to go.
Yeah, exactly.
What?
Areas like St. Pete Beach. They're turning off sewage and water. Tomorrow.
What the actual sewage and water? They're shutting it off and say, what? Oh, that's probably bad news for me then. Oh no.
What you're doing in your everyday life and get ready. Get your
That's a good way to think of it.
medications, get whatever you need, right, to make sure that you are set, your family's set, your pets are set, your evacuation route, in case you don't know as well. Hillsborough County Office of Emergency Management working with the public schools as well. They are not in school today through Wednesday because their schools will serve as shelters, as many schools do in this type of situation.
Yeah.
So just be prepared for that and check to see if you've got a pet, where do I go with my pet? And most of them are okay, and a lot of the hotels have changed laws now so that they do accept the animals. But you and your family have to be ready to go.
Yeah.
And prep today. Obviously, you've got the day off from school so that you and your family can prepare. Here's the time to be ready. And when you take a look at this, Marissa, you're talking Tuesday, Wednesday, but you're going to start to feel the effects leading up to this, I think, by early tomorrow.
Yeah, and be smart. If you're gonna, you don't have to jump on a plane to evacuate. No. You can drive further inland. It doesn't mean you're free of all impacts, but at least you're getting away from the surge if that's what you're most concerned about. And also budgeting for traffic, high traffic, and not getting caught up, especially in those areas, those barrier islands that have the most devastating surge. You have to get out before the water starts to rise. You don't want to get trapped in your car.
I'm gonna
And your
cry.
gas, fill your car up with gas.
Yeah.
Ready to go.
And I know our Michael Esma was talking to his family out of Tampa who said that there was he was saying, I think, an hour and a half to check out from the grocery store. And there's a look, by the way, when you talk about the strongest of the winds here that we could see with Milton, that's about a 200 stretch from north to south. That could be under that.
Yeah, so of course, all these communities all along Florida's Gulf Coast are getting ready. In fact, this especially after they just went through Helene in some cases.
And that's definitely a big part of the story here. Okay, so Tampa is one area we've been talking about, right? It's right within pretty much the center of the cone from the NHC. And Tampa...
Well, continue, lady. What? Miss Fox, can you continue? Oh.
All right, let's take it to the ground now.
Freaking what?
Because as we mentioned...
What? Please.
Oh my God!
So, listen. I did try to leave, okay? We did. We were like, let's take a flight. No, there's no flights, kids. We actually were looking yesterday where I was like, no. And I looked early yesterday morning. I was at Brecky. And I was like, okay. Oh, I can't even speak. I can't even think. See, I distracted myself for a little bit with the news. I did. Now I'm scared again. Can I drive? I could drive. I don't have my own car, though my Padre has a vehicle. But we don't even know where to go. We don't even know where to go. This is ridiculous. But, even if we went to Miami, right, it's still going to get hit in Miami. Miami's crazy. I don't know, man. I'm horrified, actually. I'm horrified. I'm a little scared. I'm definitely going to... words, find them. Okay. I'm a little nervous. Because I'm looking out my window, and I just saw, this dad with a little baby, a little tiny little baby, this big. And, I'm thinking about all the little babies that are here. What if they are... Oh, my Lord, I can't, little babies. We don't live on the beach. No, we're miles away from the beach. Not miles away, but we're in a spot where a few miles on each side got destroyed with Helene. So we might have a little bit of an issue. So I'm a little nervous. Because I don't want to leave. You know what I mean? I don't know. I feel like we're in a good building. But the fact that they're shutting down sewage and stuff, that's crazy. I don't know how is that gonna work, man? How is that gonna work? I really don't know, man. I really don't know. This is gonna be insane. Anyway, I felt like I needed security today. So I put on my sweater dress. This is a heavy dress. I'm very toasty right now, but I felt like it doesn't have pockets. I know that's the next question. It does not have pockets.
Thank you!
You're welcome.
Thank you!
You're welcome.
Thank you!
You're welcome.
Yo, leave now. Go say hi to Frankie and ATL.
I don't know. Because I was at the diner this morning because we needed to talk to other locals and such. And people were saying that the highways are absolutely bumper to bumper. So the odds of getting out of here, like you could get out, but it's going to take you all day. And even, I don't know. I really don't know, man. I really don't know what to do. And even if we go north, like where are we going? And then we have to get a hotel and all this stuff, and we don't know how long we're gonna have to stay there. It's like of just being here, but if we stay here, what's gonna happen? I really don't know. We have like some neighbors and stuff that are gonna be here. I know some people that work at the hospital. I know some people that work, for other people. So I have hope. I have hope that if we need people, we have connections, But I'm a little worried. But I really don't know if this is gonna be something that is just overhyped by the media. But if they're shutting off stuff, like if they're shutting off stuff in St. Pete, then why wouldn't they shut off stuff here? So come see Uncle Jimmy, stop by Panama City, New Orleans. I don't know. I really don't know. And especially, getting a hotel is not going to be easy. Wick said you'll be fine staying for the storm or leaving either way, but if you're leaving, get ready to leave now. Yeah, I don't know if we're going to, at this point, I don't know if we can leave. And again, there's like no flights, there's no nothing. And so I'm a little nervous. Yeah, it sounds like I'm stuck a little bit. It is true, I am. But at the end of the day, Chris said you're not getting out, load up on supplies. Yeah, take the state routes, less traffic, way more fuel stations, taking back way to Talladega. Oh, I never heard of that. I lived in Florida for 20 years, DTP says. Best advice is just to go towards Orlando and find a hotel. A lot of people were saying to go to Orlando. I don't know, because Orlando's not too far, and I have some friends in Orlando, so I don't know. I feel like, because Orlando's also going to get hit, too. Miami's going to get hit, so, going down over there, I don't know if it's going to help. Also, our bathtubs don't hold water, so that's great. So we're going to try our best. I don't know if we should look into more buckets for water. The car's going to be destroyed if we stay. I hope not. I'm hoping that's not the case. Mobile stream up to Alabama. Alabama, you know what? I was actually thinking of Alabama. Roll Tide and all that. I don't know. I really don't know. Get a hotel will be very easy after 3-4 hours northeast. Traffic will be fine. I don't know. I'm hearing too hard to leave, so just go out, get ice, get some gallon containers for water. Yeah, I guess. Because we also have, in Publix and everything, there's no water left. And people are getting limited on how much they could buy. So I really don't know. Patrick, definitely get plenty of buckets of water. Stay safe. Thank you. I don't know. I'm a little nervous. Get a case of wine too. Listen, I said last time, all right? I said on the show last time that I would propose a little cup of wine for the stream. But then y'all were like, I don't know. Don't drink, Randy. Don't do it. You should stay sane. I was like, you know what? That's right. Maybe I should stay sane and not drink a glass, But maybe I don't know. Do I do a glass with you guys on stream? If it really comes down to the point where I'm stressed, and we do a singular glass. I don't know, because you know what? Speaking of Mitch Ray, he actually has this little game that he plays where people send him stuff, and then he has a wheel that he spins the wheel to see if he should sip and stuff like that. I thought that was a great idea. I might steal that. I need to find a way to do that. But yeah, I don't know. I don't know, man. I don't know. I don't really know what to do. I don't really know. I'm confused. This is a big kerfuffle. It's a big kerfuffle. But you know what? I'm going to keep you guys updated. As of right now, I'm staying. Golden, send the chopper. Send us to Oktoberfest. Water and chocolate. Oh my gosh, I should have chocolate. I don't even know if I have chocolate. Call the segment Wins and Wines. Oh my gosh. Dude, that would be awesome. I can drink. Laser said I can drink. So if Laser said I can drink, then maybe I should. I don't know. Might need to be airlifted. No joke. But you know what? The reason why I'm also considering staying is because I think the Floridian government is a little bit better, and that they're not going to let us they're not going to leave us high and dry. You know what I mean? I don't think DeSantis would do that. So that's what I feel. I don't think DeSantis would leave us out there. I should definitely get chocolate. I know they're still waiting on help in North Carolina, but their leadership is absolutely awful. And you know what? Like, I don't think Florida's going to do that. I don't think Florida's the same. How far away is the storm front? Emma would know. Emma, give us the information. Emma could come in here. Emma, can you give us a weather report? Emma's good with that. Randy could drink for the storm. So guys, is that something you guys would be interested in? If I do a sippy stream, would that be something you're interested in? Put a one or a yes emoji, two or no emoji, or is that just bad? Because I didn't do that at all last time. I didn't like sip at all last one. But the last one really wasn't that bad, and I wasn't really scared like when it happened because I knew like we didn't really get that bad. At least where I was, right? Like it wasn't. Oh boy. How did I get flagged for the election on TikTok? Are you kidding me? I was talking about wine. I'm talking about wine. That's insane. All right, so no sippy stream. I don't know. What if it's a glass? Is that bad? Hurricane clips. No, you guys are crazy. But listen, guys, I don't know what to do. I'm a little bit out here right now. I'm a little bit like losing the noodle just slightly. Just like this much. Just like this much losing the noodle. But yeah, I don't know how far away the storm is as of right now. Let's see. I don't know. Does it say anything on the Weather Channel app? Storm coverage. Yeah, I don't really see much. Hurricane watch in effect. That's so helpful. Well, no sheesh. It's this area, sir. Yeah, I don't know. I don't have any news here. I don't have any news. 735 miles. That's where it is. We're 735 miles away. So then at that rate, yeah, it might be here tomorrow night. So yeah, it's definitely a doozer. It's definitely a doozer, my friend. Hurricane Milton strengthens into a Category 4. Florida prepares for evacuation, storm surge. Yep, I already know that, man. I already know. I didn't realize how much this matches my dress. That's actually really sick. I love that. Can get lots of floaties, man. I hope so. I hope we can get some floaties. We do a little swimmy. I'm just kidding. I won't go swim out there. Weather Channel and crypto stream, no idea. Yeah, it might be something I'm interested in. But yeah, guys, I don't know. Yeah, I definitely wouldn't get shwasted, you know what I mean? Definitely wouldn't get shwasted, but I definitely would like maybe indulge in a glass with you guys if it was something y'all vibed with, you know what I mean? But yeah, so we're gonna see what happens. I'm very iffy on the whole thing. Probably today I'll decide if we're leaving, but I don't think so. I don't think we're gonna leave as of right now. But we'll see. If it really escalates to the point where they're gonna say it's a Category 5, everyone's gonna freaking float away, then yeah, maybe then we leave. But other than that, I think I'm okay where I'm at, and I'm just gonna hope for the best and just stream my way through it, and I'll be live. I'll be live and just focusing on that. But thank you guys so much for joining me today. We've been prepping for a few days now. Even my dad just said in the chat, why does he say things at the same time as saying things? He does this all the time. But yeah, we've been running around for days prepping. And so we got some water, we got some stuff. Maybe we'll go get some more buckets. Maybe that's something that we'll look into. But you're not likely to get hurt unless you're outside during the storm or you're overheated. Nah, I'm good. I'm not gonna be swimming out there. So like I said, I'm hoping for the best. Hopefully we get a little bit of a chopper from Uncle Jimmy or Golden. They send that in. But yeah, so we're gonna hope for the best. Hello everyone, Sharam, everybody. Head to Nashville. I don't know. Is Nashville safe right now? I don't really know. I know Tennessee had some issues, but I don't know about Nashville specifically. But yeah, we're going to do what we need to do. We're going to try our best. And like I said, guys, we're going to just stay safe as best as we could. We're going to get some pizza today, maybe. I thought we were making burgers today. I thought that's what we were doing. Rez, thank you. My Australian friend, thank you. Thank you guys so much. Clem, thank you for the money gun. Choo-choo. Thank you, I appreciate it. Guys, thank you so much for joining me today. I'm gonna do some more prep, and we're gonna do some stuff. Gen X said from the news, what could possibly be a storm surge of 8 to 12 feet is possible for more than 200 miles of coastline with Tampa roughly in the middle. Ugh. Well, okay. But yeah, so let's focus. Let's focus on survival here. We're gonna do our best. I bought another portable charger yesterday, a little army charger from a store. Cool. So this little guy, it's like on the box. It can keep your phone charged for 3 days. I don't know if that's cap or not, but we'll find out. But yeah, we're gonna do what we need to do. I'm gonna just focus on that. And for now, let's just keep smashing the likes, sharing it out with friends. We're going to have a beautiful day. We're going to have a beautiful week. We're going to stay safe. We're going to stay happy. We're going to stay healthy. And that's what it's going to be. So if you haven't yet, please make sure you smash the like, subscribe, share this out with friends. Have a beautiful day. Have a splendid Monday. Kick off this week with a freaking bang. It's going to be awesome. We're going to do our best. I'm going to stream through the storm for sure. So have a beautiful day. Have a great, lovely Monday. And if you haven't yet, again, smash the like, subscribe, share it out. Have a great day. Happy Monday. I'll see you guys later. And as always, stay zesty and stay safe. Peace.